Morning traders, let's do a quick market rundown today. I'm going to just scan through all the coins we've been scanning through the last week or two. Start with jasmy. We hit our resistance point, it looks like, up here, headed back down. Like I said in previous videos, I think we'll come back down to 13 cents at least, possibly 11. All right, let's just see if I can scroll up. BTC dominance, we're under a major support. Looks like the bulls want to take this back above. If we stay below this resistance level, look out below. We're headed down to 40. All right. That's what it looks like for BTC. Guys, if you want to do a more detailed analysis, this is just going to be a bottom line upfront type of summary today. View the previous daily update, actually 2 videos ago. All right. This I'm just going to kind of go through and give a quick synopsis of where we are. BTC USD, I'm still looking for us to come down to our I'd love to see us enter in and find support at this main line of resistance. Very bullish if we can do that. If we can allow the bears to take us down there, I find that price action extremely bullish. Total 3, all the altcoins excluding Ethereum and of course Bitcoin, we're under this neckline. However, we're right at the 50-day. I consider this neutral territory, not really telling us much here. All right. Total 2, we are slightly in bullish territory above this neckline, and looks like we're using the 50-day as support here. All of this up here is bullish for our altcoin market. But that does include Ethereum, which is in bullish territory as well. Neckline is way down here. We're above the 50-day and above this line of support as well. The bulls took us right back above. We dipped below. Bulls quickly brought us back up. We still have not confirmed any movement below this line of support, or the 50-day for that matter. And our neckline is way down here. Ethereum is looking bullish, and it is completely helping the altcoin market. BCH is interesting. We found the pop today, slid down the top of our triangle, used it as a slide, and now we're popping up. I suspect, watch this area closely, lots of resistance there. You may want to sell and get out of this trade if you think that we're going to go down further. That is an area to definitely look at. Solero, not much new. Litecoin, you guys know I published this as a free setup trade alert here on TradingView. Still looking good here. We're definitely in bullish territory. Golden cross above the 200-day, above the 50-day, above the triangle. All those are good signs. The only thing to watch is this potential inverse cup and handle pattern. I don't know if it's going to play out or not, but be careful of that, guys. OXT is starting to flirt with bearish territory. Remember I said set your stops down here. We drop below this support and the 50-day. OXT could be in for a little bit of trouble here. All right. Watch that close. BAT, we're still in bullish territory. The bears keep and continue to try to take us below this blue trend line, ascending trend line, and then the bulls will just pop us right back above, and that's where we remain. And again, it's all neutral territory in here. I'd like to see us get up here to be bullish. Doge, not looking good, guys. I said set your stops down here. We are definitely starting to flirt with bearish territory here as well. The bears brought us below this main line of support. That's trouble unless the bulls can take us right back up. We have to watch this tomorrow. Keep an eye on that. ZEC, wow. I posted just a few minutes ago. Reached our target. I had a target here of 200 and I think it's $260 exactly. We're just above it right now. I hope you have taken profits. Whoops, better have taken profits. That is some good price movement. And I definitely don't want to see anybody lose those those profits. UMA down to our neckline again. All right. So question is, are we going to bounce off of this and move back up? Watch that closely. Don't want to see us break our neckline and come back down. Although 200 day is not that much further, you could potentially hold this. We bounce off the 200 and you can see us come back up. I mean, that is a potential or a possibility, I should say. So again, a lot of these altcoins flirting with bearish territory. Filecoin, we're down here, guys. I don't know, man. I'm in this one and I'm getting close to stopping out. Though I will say, we zoom out, we do have some support over here. In fact, let me draw that real quick. That is our support. Let's take it back over here. It's quite a ways down. I don't know if I want to hold down there. I've got my stops set down here somewhere. Of course, I feel like somebody's watching me in these videos because what's going to happen is I set my stops, and guess what? The market movers are going to hear this and take me down, stop me out, and then buy at a discount. That seems to be what happens. ADA, I told you guys, be careful because once we get this below this 200 day, we could use the top of this triangle as a slide. It appears like we're going to do that. So hopefully you listened, you were a disciplined trader and stopped out somewhere around here. Though, again, this is tricky, guys. Uh, I can't tell you what to do because what's happening is the market movers are bringing us down, setting off those stops, triggering all those stops, and then they're taking advantage and buying this up at a discount. So I don't know if you guys have the risk tolerance to hold through this spell of bear flirtation, then be my guest. SHIB is not looking good either. We're under the 50 day, under this trend line, under this support, under this trend line. Dude, I think we're coming all the way down to our support down here before we do any sort of bull movement. And what else do we got here? Okay, that's the dollar. Dollar is strong. What's going on with all the other currencies? They must be weak, huh? I don't know. I haven't done any analysis on this, but I would not think the dollar would be strong with the amount of currency that we are printing. It just must be that we are printing, God knows how this is happening, that we are printing at a slower rate than other countries. I don't know. Explain that to me. I don't know how the dollar is going stronger. Anyways, that's off topic, and that's for something else. Guys, I wish you the best of luck. Be careful out there. We are flirting with bearish territory, and I think that means we are finding our baseline level of support in the alt markets. In fact, in all markets. So we're getting close to turning this thing around, but I don't want to see you guys just hold on and continue to lose money. Be disciplined traders and wait for a good setup. That's what I would recommend. Stop out of your trades and wait for those good setups. All right. Good luck on all your trades, guys, and happy Thanksgiving.